So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix missing apps after iOS 18 update. So many users complained that after they installed the latest iOS 18, some of the apps on their iPhone went missing. So how to fix this issue? Well, follow these two methods and you will get your app back again. So first up, turn off any focus mode. For this, open the control center by swiping down here. And now this is the focus mode. And now as you can see, D&D is enabled. Tap on it. Now these are all the focus mode. As you can see here, do not disturb is enabled on my phone. So I will turn it off. For this, tap on the focus mode. And this will turn it off. Now go back to home screen. And this should fix the issue. In case the app is still not available, then open the app library. For this, swipe left again. And now this is the app library. Here, swipe down. And now you will see all the apps here. Now here, search for the app that is missing. For example, speed test. Now long press it and drag it to the home screen. And the app is now available again. So if the apps are missing on your iPhone after the latest update, then this should fix the issue. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.